Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Francis Njiri, the Director, Javi Research Support Services Limited. Today, I want us to look at who can be a researcher, because it appears that some people seem to feel that that is restricted or preserved of a few people. But I want to dispel that lie today. If you find yourself asking questions that nobody seems to have answers or seems to have convincing answers, you are a researcher. All you need to know is how to go about doing that and answering that question. Do you like solving problems? There is no better way of solving problems than conducting research. So you are a researcher. Are you always thinking that there must be better ways of doing things? When you look at the way things are being done, you are a researcher. Do you have thirst for information? If you find that you are always looking for information, regardless of the kind of information you are seeking, you are indeed a researcher. How do you conduct research without feeling like your life is hell? Because many people, every time research is mentioned, they feel like that is not the direction they want to go. Number one, just start simple. Break down your idea into a very simple statement which you can understand, which you can explain to people, and then list your queries one by one. Avoid complexity. People rush very quickly into looking at very complex statements, and which confuse everybody, including the designers of the statements themselves. So list your queries in a very simple way, one by one. Write down why the knowledge you are seeking is important to yourself and to the world. The other thing, do not worry about jargon, right? For instance, people like to use the term mean, average, and that only refers, when you're saying that, is what everyone would have if life was fair. That is really the meaning of mean. The other rule is progress from the known to the unknown very carefully. Very carefully. Start from what you know. As you progress towards the unknown, move very, very carefully. When you hurry to complex issues, you will definitely feel very bad. And many people find themselves in such situations. If in that process you detect confusion in your own thought, retreat very fast. Go back to the familiar ground, to where you were, where you would understand what you're talking about. And when you're dealing with technical areas, do not be afraid to consult the experts. The other thing that makes people scared is the budget. Do not start thinking or worrying about the budget too early. If you start worrying about money too early, you're going to be biased and you're going to influence your results at a very early stage. Many people wonder how expensive it is to conduct research. Of course, the most critical thing you have to commit is time. There are other cost elements like proposal writing, the data collection phase, the data analysis, report writing, and dissemination. Those are some of the cost centers that we have. So I hope with that, we've dispelled the truth, we've dispelled the lies that research is difficult to conduct. Thank you very much.